Hi everybody, thanks for coming back for another video. Today I'm going to introduce my 2024 project pan and also show you Xavier because he cannot stop participating. You ready? Okay, let's go. So welcome to my 2024 project pan video introduction. It's pretty simple. First of all though, I just wanted to say what's on my face. I have an Ever liquid lipstick in a very purple mauve color. The name's not on it, it says number 10 at the bottom. It'll all be below. And then over that, because I've been loving these, is the e.l.f. Hydrating Core Lip Shine. Again, the color exactly will be below, but it's again a mauve, like kind of glossy thing. I've been loving these lately. And then on my eyes is the Profusion Moonstone palette. There's like 5 different colors on here, so sorry, but and I didn't record this one today, but Profusion has been my favorite brand of the month. Okay, so the lipstick was kind of a disaster last year, not doing that again this year. I'm going to do the eyeshadow palette. I decided to do the LA Colors Day to Night palette. 12 colors, again, a little more variety than last year's. I've already started in on it just a tiny bit. It did drop though, and this palette right here, the powder all came out. Before I thought about using this for Project Pan, I repressed it in there because it's purple and I was like, I'll save it. Anyway, so I weighed this to kind of have a check-in. All right, so whether the weight actually tells us anything or not, I'm going to go ahead and get a starting point weight for the new Project Pan eyeshadow. Yeah, I'm going to talk about why this is like a little bit wonky. 40. Those were all so horribly different. 40. 42. Let's do best out of 5 for this shot here. 42. Gosh, we've got 2 and 2 here. 38. Oh, 40. Okay. I'm gonna say 40 grams. I made a bright yellow card piece of paper for my project pan this year, so that when I'm struggling to look for this paper for my updates and can't find it, I'll at least have a bright color to look for. It started at about 40 grams. However, there's only 8 grams of product in here. I looked at the packaging. I don't think it had it on the last project pan product, but these eyeshadows are only 8 grams, so, I mean, not even one pan has a full gram in it. So, like, even if I used up an entire full gram, it would be less than one, or a little more than one pan. Like, it's not going to show much difference. If I had a milligram scale, that might be better for this, but I'm still going to do it. It's kind of fun to see, and maybe there'll be, you know, an end goal next December or something. So yeah, 12 pans. My goal is to hit pan in each one. So I'm excited. I already kind of started a little bit, and we'll see how this goes. And then just for fun, I also decided to do a blush. This is an e.l.f. bite-sized, I believe it's called a Face Duo. Everything will be below. The color is called Guava, and there is a blush, a peachy blush, and a really nice golden highlighter in here. These are only $3. I absolutely love this. But I thought it might be fun to pan because I can always get another one or get, you know, different colors. There's a whole bunch of these. So I decided to add this, and, you know, we'll see how I do with the slightly bigger pans. The highlighter is going to be a challenge because there's not much highlight on my face at any given point. But maybe I'll use it for eyes or something. This one doesn't say how much product is actually in the pans. It did a beginning weight of 20 grams. Okay, let's try the blush. 20 grams, 22, 20. Let's just go with 20. I doubt there's even the same amount of product as the eyeshadow. Like, I doubt there's even 8 grams in here. But, well, you know, so weight probably won't really show much, but that's okay. I'm going to do it anyway, because it's just kind of a fun project. So yeah, these are our 2 little projects this year. I've been enjoying this so much that I'm kind of hoping that maybe I'll hit pan early and I'll be able to add another product in here. So join in for the progress. Today is January 3rd, and I'll see you, I guess, like February 1st. So wish me luck. Let me know if you're doing a project pan or pan that palette this year, and stay tuned for the next one. Go ahead and subscribe, and YouTube will tell you perfectly free, like if I have another video up, when you come into it, it'll just say, hey, if you want, you can watch this person's video, and it's cool. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. They're from Italy. Honey. Right here, the powder all came out. Oh. Lighter in here. Okay. The weight in here. So, I cannot believe this cat today. He is just, I'll be right there. It's literally as soon as I start talking, he talks. He's so mad that I won't just like come over there and cuddle him.
5 minutes later.
Let me go comfort this cat. Oh, are you okay? Huh? What's going on? He's fine. Next, is it next? Because we're in 2024 now, which has been my favorite. I just did it upside down. Oh, it's recording. How does this always happen? It's like voice activated, but it like turned on at random words. Hi. I feel cute today. Maybe I'll make one. I'm gonna check him now. What's the matter? Are you okay?